ذكرينا يا بقايا الأمس فينا ما أقسى الحنين زادنا شوق أنينا
حدثينا ما لها الجدران خرسا هل تراد جفو وتنسى غربة الأرواح أقسى
أرجعينا.
ليه؟ كويس يا دكتور.
والبدايات الخجولة.
Alhamdulillah, here we are today at Sinchu Colley to hand over this community water project that was donated on behalf of Hafiz Suleiman family, channeled through our dear partners in the UK, who are none other than children of Adam's Appeal. We are so grateful for your trust in allowing us to implement this water project here in the Gambia. As you can see behind me are the beneficiaries. This is a village called Sinchu Colley in URR. There's over 4,000 beneficiaries in this community here.
Min ɓooyɗa ɓundiyam ala koni min getaki ala ɗoni min jahani kono onon gilnaɗon e leydi e golle golluɗon ɗe yo Allah yoɓɓon heɗe sabu adi nde garɗon ɗo gadduɗon beyan o min kolli on o jamma hay heɓani yontere mbiɗon baga o yo fewne ɗon yawti on gartoyi ɗon larde jamma o min kolli on woyndu amen du e probléme du ɗum ne heɓani jonte ɗiɗi on gari on mbi golloɓe garat joni ɗum ɗon ko yettere Allah
ngonyim pompo eta lume di nduni ye bari ko makeba ko pompo eleta kama ka soron amaka yele ngoy alama za kilindel yo soto jang nga fano kitenni ngam bori king ngoy je sobo fasana ro ko ha ngoy awa dunna ne ma wodi pompo be soron na abe yele la fa ye ato soron na ji ko bota sate wala he ngoy alama sima ya tali mel folo ya fa nyala mal sima ya ngay do kula da to tafula kato do ku kendo kenyin satendo me yalo ganyo mansoto ndaken nena ma nyoje ndajala mbe duwala ali si jambala ala nyin ka fala mata ala nyato ala manya bola si ala ka falima kato alkiyama tasilo le mali yola dada nyin nemo mota fola wala ko men bentala nyin sato be ambe fala ji kuoka mo be fala ji kuoka ko santal si so en mi nyin lokal pombi sato be fonkara fa sin sambar ntate ni do ko toro ko mum be Sinchu Colley ko e pompo ben si so bani ko silam batata le ngara do nol la nin do tate kara fa Senegal ngara fa Senegal ko hakela maka boro soto ko men keta nyin sate on ate banna sasa an nim mara la ba
ji ko meta ba kele batata nyin ji ko to ba kele ndel wotu bo julu sabako ko lole be mbulu o julu sabako kolon kilimo be kataje je wolu wulo bulata kolon kono ngara fa nyin joda sero soto le de silan nata na fe mo bulandi ay feŋoli sabadan kolon kono nya wulo ko otu mo be fono o wato kono bayo fono lopta jaye yoro bawol fo kara fo Allah ngana Sinchu Colley bu sate balade kono bayo din fono en telima jan dal nata na woji kilingole ci katukum fana nga samba ko fo sibma koy de maro la alaman kiti no ala ndel ke naji ko le ya ko ka insa falenta banna fala.
It's so emotional. It's unbelievable that over 40 years, the first time they're able to access clean drinking water just by opening a tap. Some of the women just confessed to us that just 1 year ago or 1 year, 2 months ago, they were drinking from the water well that was so affected because a dog fell in there and died, and they didn't even know about this. They were all drinking and saying that this water is having a bad smell. But they didn't know what's going on, so they started going to the hospital, started getting sick. After they had to allow someone to go through the local water well down, they realized that there was a dead dog inside this place because these water wells are not covered. The worst thing is that it's about 75 meters deep. So much struggle to pull water daily and every minute, every second that you want to access water. But they have no other option. Some of them got sick, and women were saying this themselves, that some of them died because of this contamination. But today, with your generosity, you have given them an option to choose from drinking from that contaminated water and from the clean water that will definitely save their life, just by opening a tap behind me here. and they are more than the word grateful for this support. And what one of the women was saying, for the first time they're seeing in their life a water system that will be on 24 hours. Anytime they want water, they know that when they go to the tap, within seconds they can open and get water and go back to their houses. But this just shows you that, and it also is a reassurance that there are so many communities like this here in the Gambia who are struggling to get access to clean drinking water. A sadaqah jariyah that will continue to go on and on and on as long as they benefit from these things. We are also saving lives. You're giving kids a chance to focus on education instead of spending hours and hours to struggle or even fight to get water at the water wells. Thank you so much. Jazakumullahu khairan.